well as notebook. So first we will complete textbook exercises, then we will begin with the classwork writing. Okay. So all of you take term 2. You find here term 2 textbook. Term 2 textbook and page 123. So page 123, you find here page 123. So what is the name of the lesson? Already we completed yesterday and day before yesterday. Our neighborhood. What is the name of the lesson, children? Our neighborhood. Okay. Lesson 4, take the page 123. Yes. This lesson you are having for your online exam next week. So please pay attention, children. Pay attention. Take the page 123. See here, beginning of the lesson activity they have given. 123. Write the names of 2 persons who live near your house. Okay. So, how are they called? People who live near our house are called as neighbors. Okay. So, here you have to write names of 2 persons. That means names of 2 neighbors who are living near your house. So, if you don't know, please ask your parents and write the 2 names. So, this activity I am leaving for you, children. So, with the help of your parents, try to write the names of your neighbors' names. Okay. So, this is about page. Next, we move on to. So, all this we have done. Okay, we have learned in the lesson. Next, you take the page 125. Page 125. Page 125. Page 125. This. Page 125. See here you have multiple choice questions. Pick the correct answers. Okay. 2 questions are given. First one, the area around our home is called dash. Okay. The options are given. A, forest. B, highway. C, neighborhood. What is the answer? Very good. Yes. What is the answer? Neighborhood. So which option is correct, children? Option C is correct. So they have given here blank for first one. You write in the blank as well as you have to underline and tick it. So in previous lessons we were doing, isn't it? So first one, in the blank you write neighborhood. What is the spelling of neighborhood? N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-H-O-O-D. Neighborhood. Also, so what is the option? C. Okay. So you have to underline. So underline and tick it. Okay. C option. Tick it. Next, second one. Who help us to keep our things and lives safe? Options: doctors, policemen, nurses. Policemen. Very good. What name? Dikshita. Very good. Okay. So Dikshita has given the answer policemen. Who help us to keep our things and lives safe? Policemen. Okay. So here, second one, though blank is not given, but you can write. Okay, after the question. Policemen. So write the spelling correctly, children. So B is the correct option. B. Okay. Underline and tick it. B. So not to have confusion, I'll write here, children. Why? Because you may think it is. Okay. So for first one, C, neighborhood. Okay. Next, second one, B, policeman. Okay. So next exercise you are having on same page. So you follow the exercises, children, on same page. A, exercise A, oral questions. They have given oral questions. What are the oral questions given? How do you send letters to your relatives? Give one rule to live in peace and harmony in your neighborhood. So here you don't have much space to write. Okay. So one sentence, for one sentence or two sentences, there is no space. So you are going to write in the classwork. So we will skip exercise A here. Why? Because we are going to write in the classwork. Next, exercise B, quiz. Okay. From where do you buy things of your daily needs? From market. Very good, Dikshita. Okay. So from where do we buy our daily things for our daily needs? From the market. So this is only small answer you can write, children. So on same page. So B, that is quiz. So there you write from the market. So I think you have space. You can write from the market. From the market. Okay. From the market. Next, exercise C. Exercise C, tick the correct answers. The first one, people who are sick or injured go to a dash. Options are given: hospital, police station, post office. Where do they go? People who are sick or injured, where do they go? To hospital. To a hospital. Very good. To a hospital. Okay. So exercise C. So first one, write in the blank, also tick it. First one, A, hospital. Write the spelling correctly, children. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L, hospital. Tick it. Okay. You also underline it and write in the blank also. Next one. There are many shops in a dash. Options: school, park, market. There are many shops in a dash. School, park, market. Where do you find so many shops? What is the area that is called where you find many shops? Do you have shops in the school? No. Do you find shops in the park? No. Where do you find? In the market, isn't it? Yes, very good. So answer is market. Okay. So there are many shops in a market. So second one, what is the option correct, children? C. Market. Okay. Once you are ready, turn the page. That is page 126. Turn the page 126. So third one. Rohan finds that his mother is not at home. It is locked. Riya, his neighbor, asks him to wait in her house till his mother comes. What value do you learn from Riya? Yes, children? So Rohan finds that his mother is not at home, it is locked. Now, who is asking him? Okay, Riya, his neighbor, is asking him to wait in her house till his mother comes. So here, which value are you going to learn? Which value are you learning, children? What value do you learn? Options: to be helpful, selfish, punctuality. Okay. So which value do you learn from out of these three? Yes. So by asking him to stay in your house till his mother comes. So you are doing a kind deed. Okay. You are helping your child. Okay. Otherwise, so the child Rohan has to be outside only, isn't it? Instead of that, you are asking him to wait in Riya's house. Okay. So here, what attitude do you learn? What is the value you learn, children? To be helpful. Okay. So to be helpful. Third one. So option A, to be helpful. Okay. Yes, children, are you ready? Ready? Next, we move on to exercise D. So I think you are able to see, children. I'll write here. Okay. Exercise D. So filling the blanks with the help of given words. So in the box you find clue is given. Okay. With the help of these to fill these sentences. First one. Children learn to read and write in a dash. School. Very good. Okay. First one. School. 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 Next. Second, we can dash money from a bank. So what can we do out of these options? Yesterday I told you, bank is a financial institution where we borrow and lend money, isn't it? Yes. Borrow. Borrow means taking. Okay. So taking from the bank. Of course, again we have to pay it back to the bank. But when we are in need, we borrow from banks. Okay, we borrow money from banks. So when we have money, we pay back to the bank. Okay. So borrow. What is the spelling? Borrow. 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 Third one. Send dash to our relatives through a post office. Okay. So what do we send through a post office to our relatives? Out of the options given, children. Yesterday I said, okay, we learned that post office. So through post office, we send letters, we get send letters or inland letters or envelopes, postcards, greeting cards through post office, isn't it? So we send letters. 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 Fourth one. Gurudwara is a place of dash. Worship. Very good. Okay. Worship. Say all of you, children. Worship. Gurudwara is a place of worship. So what is the spelling? Worship. 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 Okay. So all these are filling the blanks. So once again I repeat, first one school, second one borrow, third one letter, fourth one worship. Next exercise E. Answer the following questions. Those also will be writing in the class book. So we are not going to write in the textbook. Next, test yourself. So write T for true and F for false statement. So there are three statements. So this is the exercise, children. Look at. There are three statements. So you have to state whether they are true or false. So if they are true, so what is the letter you have to use? True for T. Okay. So if the sentence is false, so for that, what is the letter you write? Yes. Okay. So now, first statement or sentence. We must help each other in times of need. Is it true or false? We must help each other in times of need. When somebody is in need, we must help, isn't it? So is it true or false? It is true. Okay. So very good. So true or false, children? So first sentence. So here they have given. Okay. So true. We must help each other in times of need. Small box is there. Right. T. True. Next, second one. It is a good habit to disturb our neighbors. Is it a good habit, children, to disturb our neighbors? It is not a good quality of a neighbor, isn't it? So it is a bad quality, isn't it, to disturb our neighbors? We should never disturb our neighbors. So the sentence here is false. Okay. Third one. We must respect the religions and customs of our neighbors. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Okay. So we must respect the religions and customs of our neighbors. So this is also one of the rules to live in peace and harmony in our neighborhood. Yesterday we have learned some rules. Living together. For living together, some rules we have learned in our neighborhood. Okay. So third one is true. Okay, children. So fun time. This you can do. So prepare a list of places near your home. Also write what kind of services they provide. So this you can do in your rough book. Next B. Draw a map of your neighborhood indicating important places like your house, market, hospital, school, bank, police station, park, and any community hall. Display the map in your bulletin board. Okay. So this you can do at home. Okay. So I think now we have finished our textbook exercises. Yes, children? So just you go through once again. Yeah, many are giving answers. I haven't started term 2 lesson 4 class work. Now I will be starting. Okay. So yesterday and day before yesterday, some difficult words I have given after teaching the lesson that you will be writing in your rough book. Please don't write in the class book. Yesterday and day before yesterday also, I told, I have informed to copy them in the rough book. Okay. So Geetika is asking, okay, you can write them in the rough book. Please don't write in the class book. So class book is used only to write question and answers and filling the blank. So many have given answers. Very good, children. Okay. So are you ready now? Yes. So Dikshita is saying she's ready. Okay. So I request children to take your class work. Yes. to take your classwork fast. So yesterday itself I told you to keep ready, isn't it? So 100 pages notebook. So okay, 100 pages notebook. In the first page, leave this page. So in term 1 I have told you already, okay? So your parents will be helping you, okay? If you have forgotten, okay, take the help of your parents and fill the first page, okay? First page. So name, class, roll number, subject, social, term 2, okay? Should I write here? So I think all are ready. So I am rubbing this one, okay? So in the first page, name, okay? Class. So class, now you got sections, isn't it? You can write class and section. Roll number also is given. Now you can write your roll number. Subject, okay? Social classwork, okay? Term 2. So this is in the first page, okay? After that, leave one page. So for term 1 also you have left one page. In case, so if this page, very good. If this page, okay, if you miss this page, you can use this page to write your name, etc. Okay. So now on third page, start writing. Okay. Take the page, third page. So in the classwork, you will write lesson 1. Okay. Write the heading lesson 1. Name of the lesson also you write. What is the name of the lesson? Our, finger gap, N capital. Of course here our, O capital, N capital, NEIGH, BOURHOOD. This is the name of the lesson, our neighborhood. Okay. After this, leave a line. After this, leave a line. Now, start writing first question and answer. Question number 1. Write neatly, children. What is neighborhood? What, finger gap, is, finger gap, neighborhood, NEIGHBOURHOOD. Neighborhood, question mark. Now leave a line, okay? After the question, leave a line. Answer. What is the neighborhood answer? The, finger gap, area, AEAREA, area, the area around, 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 our, our home, 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 our home, is finger gap called 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 our neighborhood. Our neighborhood. Okay, so this is the answer. Very small answer. What is neighborhood? We have learned. So after that, question mark. There is no gap. One word it is. NEIGHBOUR. Rabbit. Write it together. Okay, it is one word. H. Good handwriting. Nicely you are writing, Dikshita. Which section are you, ma'am? H. This is. Which section are you? Now, second class. You don't know. H. Okay. So, after this, leave a line. Why? Because you can write in same page, children. They are only one sentence answer, no? So, you can write it together. Okay. So, in one page. So, leave a line. Okay. So, second one also is very, very small. Write fast. So, within 5 minutes, you will be able to complete it. Question number 2. Who are our neighbors? So, already we have learned. Who are our neighbors? Who, finger gap, or finger gap, our, finger gap, neighbors. NEIGHBOUR. Sorry, neighbors, no? Who are our neighbors? Who are our neighbors? So after this, leave a line after the question. Leave a line. So who are our neighbors? The lesson you have learned. Answer. The people, THE, the people, PEOPLE, people who live near our, OUR, our house, 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 near our house, finger gap, or finger gap, called, 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 our neighbors. Full stop. So after each answer, put the full stop. Okay? Ready? Neighbors, not neighborhood. Neighbors. BOURS. Neighbors. Second question. RS. Right here. RS. P-O-U-R-S. Question mark. Yes. So again I read, children. First question, what is neighborhood? The area around our home is called our neighborhood. So after that, leave a line. Write second question and answer on same page. Why? Because they are very small. Second question, who are our neighbors? So pay attention to the spelling of neighborhood and neighbors, children. Neighbors, N-E-I-G-H-B-O-U-R-S, neighbors. So who are our neighbors? The answer, the people who live near our house are called our neighbors. Okay. So I think all have copied. Yes. Have you copied? So these two question and answers will be as homework, also textbook exercises. Okay. So why? Because you are going to have for online exam. Okay. Textbook exercises, homework. Textbook exercises. Page 123 to 126. Okay. Classwork. Lesson 1. Question and answers. 1 and 2 question and answers. Okay. So this is the classwork. So those who are not ready, unable to write, please take the screenshot. This one are you writing? Homework. Don't write. Afterwards you rub it, okay? The classwork. Neighborhood. You haven't written H-O-O. Neighbors. People who live near a house are called our neighbors. Okay. So those who are not ready, please take this screenshot. Okay, children. Good afternoon. So have a nice time. Thank you, children. Okay.